Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta juice. This often overlooked liquid is incredibly valuable in cooking. It's the starchy water left after boiling pasta, packed with flavor and emulsifying properties. Many chefs consider it liquid gold, using it to thicken sauces and bind ingredients together. We'll explore how to create this essential ingredient and incorporate it into your culinary repertoire for richer, more cohesive meals. To craft excellent pasta juice, begin with the right water-to-pasta ratio. Aim for approximately 4 cups of water for every 100 grams of pasta, ensuring enough space for starch release. Crucially, salt your water generously. It should taste like the sea. This seasons both the pasta and the resulting starchy liquid. Cook your pasta to a perfect al dente, allowing the starches to naturally infuse the water, creating that desirable cloudy texture. You can elevate your pasta juice by infusing it with additional flavors. Try adding aromatic vegetables like a crushed garlic clove or a quartered onion to the boiling water. Fresh herbs, such as a few bay leaves or parsley stems, also contribute subtle, delightful notes. For a richer, more complex juice, a small splash of white wine or a swirl of tomato paste can work wonders. These additions will create a more robust base for your sauces. Once your pasta is cooked, remember to reserve some of that precious pasta juice. A good rule of thumb is to save about 1 cup before draining. This starchy liquid is perfect for emulsifying sauces, creating a silky, cohesive texture. Whisk a few tablespoons into your pesto or marinara for a restaurant-quality finish. It can also loosen a sauce that's too thick or even rehydrate leftover pasta, bringing it back to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.